Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to use the Jungle Scout extension. First, go to the Chrome Web Store and here search for Jungle Scout. Next, click on Add to Chrome to install the extension. Once installed, you will see the Jungle Scout icon in your Chrome toolbar. Go to the Amazon website in your Chrome browser. Then, navigate to the category you are interested in researching. For example, if you are looking into electronics, go to the electronics category on Amazon. Click on the Jungle Scout extension icon in your Chrome toolbar to activate. Before you start your search, you can set filters to narrow down the results. Filters may include price range, minimum sales, maximum reviews, and etc. Once you have set your filters, click on the Run Jungle Scout button within the extension. The Jungle Scout extension will display a list of products that match your criteria. Key data points such as product price, sales volume, revenue, reviews, rating, and seller information will be provided for each product. Analyze the data to identify products with high demand, low competition, and good profit potential. Look for products with a low number of reviews but high sales volume, as these may represent opportunities for new sellers to enter the market. If you have the Pro version of Jungle Scout, you can save or export the data for further analysis or reference. Conduct multiple searches using different criteria to explore various product opportunities. Refine your search parameters based on your findings to narrow down the most promising products. Once you have identified potential products, conduct further research outside of Jungle Scout to validate your findings. Check factors like market trends, seasonality, competition, and potential suppliers before making a final decision. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.